And I just wanted to kind of cover some of the importance of dashboards, since it is something that consultants at Cloud Data Group do on a regular basis for clients, is create and improve dashboards. So I'm sharing my screen here, and you might notice that this is the same dashboard I presented quickly last week if you were able to join in our quick catch-up meeting or watch any of the follow-on videos. And basically it only had two tiles because we didn't have a whole lot going on yet, right? We had a login leaderboard with a handful of logins per person, and then number of open tasks, which most people hadn't really gotten to the tasks yet. But I wanted to show this as a comparison to what I've updated the dashboard to now with a few more tiles here. And so now we've got a more important tile than just logging into the Cloud Ranger portal, is really how many badges you're achieving. And congrats to Hamdia for getting the most so far at 15 badges. Pretty impressive. And yeah, I know some of you were held up by playground issues and other things, but be sure to try to log in and get some more trails done. Ideally, interns would be trying to complete about one module a day. That should take you less than an hour. So if you're doing 5 a week, that should be 5 hours a week, which is not a whole lot of time to contribute towards an internship. But I realize there's more to it. There's these meetings, there's logging into the portal. So, but if you can, as you start to ramp up and get more familiar with it and get through the holiday here, and I know you're just fresh off of finals, but to try to get in the habit of trying to knock off about a module per workday kind of thing. That'd be ideal to try to keep up. So yeah, you can see that I added a fourth dashboard title. And then I also have a new tile for timesheets, just to see the quality of what people are putting in here, what they're working on. And it's just an example of something you might do for a client that would add value, is see the most recent timesheets. So you can imagine if I start to over time add 2 or 3 more tiles to this dashboard, it becomes a really good look at what's going on, who's really motivated and progressing through the education here. And then I also wanted to talk about the Cloud Ranger Challenge for this week, and also touch on the Cloud Ranger portal here. So once again, just wanted to go a quick overview here. Your assignments can always be found on this first tab. This will show you all your open tasks, and you can actually switch to completed and look at everything. Your timesheets are here. And then this other tab, resources, is something I wanted to mention. You know that this course is geared to getting you the Salesforce Certified Admin certification. So this resources under admin is what we've shared out so far. We actually have many more certifications and resources, but trying to not have you drink out of a fire hose and get to some of the key things that we want to give you here. But so this certified administrator has resources that are actually recordings from last week's call. So it's geared towards these internship calls, and it's exactly the Trailhead module follow along. So if I go ahead and click one of these here, it opens up the Cloud Data Group YouTube channel and a 5 to 10 minute video covering a key aspect. Like this one is actually apps, homepage design, list views, accounts, and contacts. And those are really just edited versions of the call from last week, like I said, but available for you here in the portal. And these will continue to grow. Like I said, as we get through further in this, there'll probably be more like 20, 30 different resources that you can access, study guides, practice tests, get you ready for the certification and hopefully employment. So that's the portal. And then just also wanted to talk about the challenge that's due right about now. So basically it gives you a scenario that your career is quickly rocketing into space and that you need to create an opportunity pipeline dashboard. So that's kind of a loaded sentence. You're probably asking, what exactly is that? So we try to break it down here. It's a dashboard showing 5 charts. So almost like this one, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 charts. So adding one more would get us to this challenge, and 3 different opportunity reports. So I actually already have 3 different reports here. You can see Trailhead badges, login leaderboard, open tasks. So to complete it, I could actually just use login leaderboard as a different kind of pie chart or different view of it, and have my 5 different charts with 3 different report types. And I want to go through that again with you all here, and feel free to chime in, ask any questions along the way as we build out an opportunity dashboard.